What's going on, my good people? Mike Hidalgo here with another quick tech tip from FCP Euro. Today we're working on our Golf R, and we just wanted to show you a few of the points that you can use to jack up your vehicle safely whenever you're doing a DIY. Starting on the outside of the body of the vehicle, on the side skirts, you have a small notch that looks like a triangle that points to your thick part of your pinch welds where you can jack up your vehicle from. There's going to be one right behind the front tire, both on the driver's side and the passenger side. If we move over to the back of the vehicle, you'll notice you have one, same thing right in front of the rear tires. Same little notch, and that little arrow points to the thick reinforced pinch points on your vehicle. If you swing in from beneath the vehicle, you can see that a little bit better from the side here. Volkswagen has gone ahead and reinforced the metal on this specific area. As you can see, the feet of our jack arms, or our lift arms, are on that. Same thing on the front. You have a reinforced pinch weld right there. Now, that's going to conclude the jack points, my good people, on this Mk7. This is a Golf R. Again, this is going to be applicable to your 7.5 as well, and your GTIs. One thing to keep in mind, for example, this R is equipped with a steel subframe, so in a pinch, should you need to jack up from the subframe, you can. You just want to be mindful of your oil pan, your transmission, and your power steering. Other vehicles are equipped with aluminum subframes. I would not recommend jacking up from there. So again, only if you're in a pinch. Otherwise, stick to your pinch welds, no pun intended. If you like this tech tip, please be sure to subscribe. We make new ones all the time. Thank you for watching.